Hi, nice to meet you. Today, we'll introduce real-time qPCI instrument and the installation method for the qPCI system. First of all, let us have a look at the standard accessories included in the package. This is the power cord and network cable, which is connected between the instrument and computer. The dongle is an encrypted attachment of our software. It must be always plugged into the computer when using the software. USB disk equipped with our installation software and instruction video. 8 strips with optical caps. And 96 well plates with sealing film. All these consumables are most suitable to our qPCI instrument. The scraper enables the heat lid and tube more fit. In addition, you could find the user manual and performance test statement in the package. Now let us show you how to use the scraper. Cover the optical cap on the 8 strips and use the scraper to gently make it fit tightly. Before turning on the computer, please connect the instrument to the computer through the network cable. After turning on the instrument, insert the dongle and USB disk into the computer. Attention! Please keep the dongle plugged into the computer while using the analysis software. Before starting to use the analysis software, please turn off Wi-Fi. Turn off firewall. And turn off antivirus software. Also, you need to turn off the computer's sleep mode. And turn off the power plant. These necessary settings are for the instrument to transfer data normally when connected to the computer. We recommend it to equip the instrument with a dedicated computer. If it displays connecting, it means that the instrument and the computer has not been connected successfully, and the gateway settings need to be changed. Please write down the IP address of the instrument. You could find the IP address on this page.
Now, let us show you how to find the IP address for the computer.
Attention please. The last blank of the computer's IP address setting must be different from that of the instrument, and the others should be the same. After opening the software, and if it shows that the instrument has been connected, as well as the running status and serial number at the lower right corner, it means the instrument is connected to the computer normally, and the experiment could be carried out then.
What should we do if we need the experimental data, but the software cannot be opened due to an accident on the computer? After the protocol was run over, please use the USB disk to copy out the data. After the USB disk is inserted, click Test Data. Select the data you want to view and click Export. After the export is finished, you could open the analysis software to view the data.